Hi friends, today I will show you how to configure gaming mouse with Xmouse button control software. Let's now start. First of all, you need to download the Xmouse button control software
Welcome to Download. We want you to be able to click with confidence.
and you need to download the software from here. I will give you the link in the description below. Then after installing, you will see that here is the icon of the software. It shows Xmouse button control version 2.14. Then you need to right click on the software icon, then click on setup. After that you will see that there are so many keys to assign for different purposes. There are layers you can select to assign the keys of gaming mouse. First of all, we will check it for the Windows Media Player. For example, in Windows Media Player, if you want to assign the scrolling button for increasing the volume up and volume down, we will check it how it will work. First of all, you need to click on the volume up, then go below and click on simulated keys. Here you can see number of tags. As you can see, there are so many tags. Now you will assign the volume key tags. For wheel up means scrolling up, we will assign volume plus. So exactly we will assign that key for volume up, then say OK. Similarly for wheel down, for reducing the volume, then say it OK, then say apply. Now open the Windows Media Player. First of all,
do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because
as you
he
can
was
see,
totally texting me all night last.
the song is playing right now. Now I will scroll up the mouse. As you can see, by scrolling up the volume is increasing, by scrolling down the volume is reducing, rather than the scrolling of the song list. As you can see, the song list is not scrolling, the volume is scrolling. In this way you can assign the scrolling button for any purpose. This is one of the example. Now let us check for another application. For example, for Google Chrome, you can select Google Chrome application or you can add it from here. Then after selecting Google Chrome, you can assign the mouse button 4, that is gaming mouse key. For switching the tab, the shortcut is Ctrl Shift Tab. Similarly, you can go for simulated keys and you can set Ctrl Shift and Tab for switching the tab in the Google Chrome. Now we will check it for Google Chrome. Now I will open various tabs to verify it. As you can see, the tabs are switching. This is another application or the use of the software. Now we can also use the mouse button for gaming. For example, for Counter-Strike, I am using the control button as a mouse button 4, where in which the player sits down, then say it apply, then open the game to verify it. Now we will check whether it is working or not. As you can see, the player is sitting down. As you can see, you can use gaming mouse for different purposes and for different gaming purposes. Now let us check what are the features available in the X mouse button. As you can see, you can add any application in this list and you can select any application, and you can then you can set different keys for different purposes. There are different layers. You can switch between the layers, then set apply. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.